Hello everyone, welcome back. Certification or interview questions from FTP connectors. So let us look into the first question from this topic. By default, what happens to the file when a FTP connector reads it? Options are: the file is deleted from the folder, the file stays same in the same folder unchanged, the file moved to another folder, and the last option is the file renamed. So what happens to the file when a FTP connector reads it? So let us see this in Studio. So this is the flow. We have a listener here and we have a logger. We are just printing payload and we are reading test.txt file from test folder. Means from this folder we are reading, from test folder we are reading test.txt. It is just having this is test file, thank you. Okay. And then we have a logger, we are just printing payload. So let us trigger this and then see what happens to the file. It is already running, you can see. This is test file, thank you. So this data is from the file, FTP file. So let us see what happens to the file. Let me reload this. See, the file is still in the same folder and nothing changed to the file. And if I open, it is having the same data. Okay. So the answer for this question is the file stays same in the same folder unchanged. B is the correct answer. And this question is one of the compulsory question from FTP connector in certifications. So let us move on to the next question. Web client sends a post request with payload hi. What is the response payload that web client receives? So let's say we are sending a request payload as hi from Postman. So what it receives back? So if you look at the flow, we have a listener, logger, and it is reading data from file. And then we have another logger. Okay. So from file, this is very simple from the flow. So let's just try this from the Studio. So this is the same flow. We have already executed this. Okay. What it returned? This is test file. Thank you. Means this data is from the file, right? That data is from the file. So what is the answer for this? The file data. No, but this is not correct answer because we also need to observe the XML thoroughly. So in XML, you can see FTP read and we have an ID, a reference, path, and we have a target equal file data. So when we have target equal file data, the response message will be saved into this variable. So it will not replace the payload. Let me make the change to the flow. Go to advanced and here file data. So just save it. It is redeploying the project. It is redeployed. So now again, let me send the same request to that flow. Sorry, we need to post hi, right? So this is the one, same URL. See, it is returning hi only because we are using file data as a target variable. Means whatever written from this file data means this is test file, thank you. This is written into file data variable as a response. So now the payload is unchanged. So that's why it is again returning and again printing hi. So that means answer for this question is hi. C is the answer. When we have a target variable file data, answer for this question is hi. So if you don't have this target variable, then answer is the file data. And in HTTP connector also I did explain about this target variable. We have this target variable in database connector also. So just we have this target variable for many connectors. Just remember that when we have a target variable, that means that is not replacing the payload. It is just saving that response message into this target variable. It is not replacing the original payload. Okay, so let us move on to the next question. Web client sends a post request with XML payload. What is the type of data written into FTP file? Web client sends a post request with XML payload. We are sending, let's say we are sending XML payload to this listener from Postman. So what is the type of data written into FTP file? Means what type of data written into this file? So here, let's say to this listener, we are sending an XML. And here we are setting JSON data as a payload. See this one, name, Tony, ID. So this is the JSON format. And then we are writing this into test2write.csv. This is a CSV file. So what is the answer? XML, text, CSV, or JSON? So let us run this in Studio. Listener, and we have a set payload. And here we are writing to the test folder. The file name is test2write.csv. Okay, so file is not yet created here. So let me run this. So here I'm just sending one XML sample XML data. See, I just received JSON response. But the question is, what is the type of data written into FTP file? Let me reload this. See, this is CSV file, but the data written into this is JSON. JSON data written into this. So answer for this question is JSON. And also remember that, I didn't use data wave here, but in a certification exam, you'll also receive data wave, and also, they'll give something like, let's say this is the JSON data, right? So they'll give plus here and then add some XML data. So in that case, what happens is it just convert this payload into XML. So that type of tricks they play. So just observe the flow diagram and also XML, and then choose the correct answer. So for this question, the answer is JSON. So this question, the web client sends a GET request to the HTTP listener. The write connector raised connectivity error. What response message returned to the web client? So this question is already completed. I have covered this in exception handling, because this is linked with exception handling also. We can, that means, when we have an error mapping, we discussed about error mapping in exception handling, right? So there I used the same example, but let me repeat this. So GET request to HTTP listeners. The write connector raised connectivity error. What response message returned to the web client? So this is raised connectivity errors. By default, what we think is, it is raised connectivity errors. So in error handling, what is connectivity related? So the first one is a connectivity related. Then we choose answer as connection error. but that is not the correct answer. We have a error mapping for SFTP, right? Okay. Here, when connectivity error occurs, we are defining here to map it to employee not created. Target type is employee not created. So answer for this is employee not created. Means B is the correct answer. Okay. For file connector also we have a, let me open this in Studio. For file connector also we have a target variable. Okay. And also error mapping. Okay. Just remember these two also. Thank you guys. Thank you. We'll meet with the next topic. Good luck.